back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashant. So today we'll be discussing a beautiful functionality, search functionality in HANA 2025. I'm using HANA 2025. You can see here. Okay. So most of us spend a valuable time in navigating through multiple Fiori pages to search for a particular sales document, billing document, or business partner, or for example, let's say all sales orders created for a particular business partner. But using this Fiori Global Search functionality, we can minimize a lot of our valuable time instead of navigating a many Fiori apps. Just this search functionality will be very much beneficial. Let's see how. So here in the global search, select all, and here I am entering the business partner number 0002. Press enter. See the magic. The system will show all the sales orders, purchase orders, even deliveries, billing document, everything in a second. So no need to navigate to multiple Fiori apps. Here you can see this is an PO. See, you can see the header, sales orders, billing document. Click on billing document. All billing documents will be shown here. If you go to purchase orders, see purchase orders, sales orders also you can see. Let me select once again and select all, and we'll change a different BP like 0. Press enter. See that how much of time can be reduced in searching instead of multiple Fiori apps. See, the system is showing all sales orders, billing documents, customer returns, and also the return delivery. If your enterprise search is activated, even it will show the business partners. Thank you for watching. If you learn something, if this find this useful, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.